Step-by-step dropshipping process tailor-fit for the Philippines. Starting a dropshipping business in the Philippines begins with choosing a niche that fits Filipino buying behavior. Filipinos prefer practical, affordable, and problem-solving products, making home and kitchen tools, pet supplies, beauty items, phone accessories, fitness gear, motorcycle accessories, and storage organizers the top choices. Products should be COD-friendly, lightweight, and easy to ship to avoid high delivery fees. Once you choose a niche, validate demand through Shopee and Lazada bestsellers, TikTok shop trends, Facebook marketplace activity, and Google Trends set to the Philippines. Check competition on Shopee, Lazada, TikTok shop, and Facebook ads library, aiming for products with good demand, manageable competition, and healthy margins. After validation, select reliable suppliers. Local suppliers from Shopee, Lazada, Facebook Marketplace, Divisoria, Binondo, and TikTok Shop programs offer fast 2 to 5 day shipping, COD support, and fewer customer issues. If you need more product variety, China-based suppliers like CJ Dropshipping, We Fulfill Asia, Weo, AliExpress, or 1688 sourcing agents are options. Always check shipping times, Philippine warehouse availability, packaging quality, and reviews. TikTok Shop supplier partners also let you sell without inventory. Supported by fast logistics and COD, choose an e-commerce platform based on your goals. TikTok Shop is best for beginners because it provides built-in traffic, COD, and no website requirement. Shopee is ideal for stable sales and strong logistics, while Lazada caters to more premium shoppers and higher-priced products. Shopify is the best platform for long-term branding and scaling, offering full control in Philippine payment gateways like Paymongo, Zendit, DragonPay, PayPal, and Stripe. When building your store, use strong visuals, relatable product descriptions, COD labels, and clear Philippine shipping times, typically 2 to 5 days locally and 7 to 20 days from China. For payments, ensure you offer cash on delivery, GCash, Maya, and card options, since COD remains the top method for Filipino buyers. In terms of fulfillment, local suppliers can ship directly to customers. Or you can use Philippine fulfillment centers like Payo, Shipmates, J&T Fulfillment, and Ninja Fulfillment. For China suppliers, use Philippine warehouses when available or forward products to your home before shipping to customers. Always be transparent with shipping times to avoid complaints or COD returns. To market your store, focus on TikTok organic videos, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Shopee Live, and TikTok Live, since Filipinos respond best to short entertaining videos. Tagwish content, promotions, and COD availability. Watch out for my next YouTube Shorts where I'll show you how to scale your dropshipping business and what to do as your business grows. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.